Hi friends, today I will show you how to generate YouTube description and hashtag via Chatgpt. First, open up Chatgpt. You can do this on your mobile or your laptop and go to the text bar. Then give it a prompt such as generate YouTube video description with a maximum length of 30 words and also generate hashtag for the following title. And then copy paste your title into the prompt. For this example, we will use the prompt how to repost story on Instagram. Here you can see ChatGPT has given me a really good description. However, I feel like it is too short. So we will just copy paste the prompt into the chat box and we will change the prompt to include 70 words instead of 30 words. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has given me an even better prompt. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.